Wagwan. What's going on, people? Welcome back to Jamaica Alpha Space. All right, so this is the next phrase, right? And we are going to do it like a real conversation, right? So you already master the Wagwan, which is like saying hello, which is the initial greeting when you see somebody. You know, normally in English you'd say hello. Now we would say Wagwan. But what comes next, right? The next stage would be to introduce yourself, as in your name, and ask the person, how are you? Or vice versa. How are you? And introduce yourself, right? So you would say, Wagwan, hello. My name Jazz. What you name? Right? So there's a lot going on there, but I'll break it down to really help you to understand what I am saying and the English version to it, right? So see you in the next lesson.